In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to replace Siri with ChatGPT. Let's get started. This method works on devices that support Apple Intelligence, including compatible iPhones, iPads, and Macs. First, make sure you have a ChatGPT account set up on your Apple Intelligence. So, launch settings, go to the option Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now scroll down, click on the option ChatGPT, click on Setup, click on Next, click on Enable ChatGPT, provide your credentials, and log in. Once you are logged in, look for the option called Confirm Request and turn it off. This is the key step. Normally, when Siri does not know an answer, like when you ask about the next SpaceX launch, she asks for your permission before sending the request to ChatGPT. By disabling Confirm Request, Siri will automatically pass the question to ChatGPT without stopping to ask you first. After turning this off, try asking Siri a question she normally can't answer, and you'll notice she immediately responds with working with ChatGPT and gives you the answer instantly. This creates a much smoother experience and makes ChatGPT feel fully integrated into Siri on iOS 26. While Apple still does not allow fully replacing Siri or remapping the side button to another assistant like ChatGPT or Google Gemini, this is currently the best way to seamlessly integrate ChatGPT into Siri and Apple Intelligence for quicker, smarter responses. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.